Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Taj from Stack Trading for another trade of the day on this beautiful Thursday. And what do you know? It's AMC again. It's AMC again because why not? We traded it again today. We made huge returns on it today. And I mean, this stock is just non stop right now. We've been trading this for day number 4 in a row, literally all week. AMC has been by far my best performer. 90% of my trades have came from AMC alone. So we'll get into how we traded AMC today, even with the rocky start that it had initially out of the gates, and then also where does AMC go from here? We're starting to get extended to the upside with AMC, so there is some cause of concern. So I'll talk about how to play it as we approach the close, right, going into the rest of the day. So with that being said, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment below some of the ideas that you have with AMC if you traded it, turn on that notification channel or notification setting, and make sure to like the video as well. So AMC, what a move. That's all I'm going to start off at saying. Let's actually kick things off with how AMC performed coming into the pre-market. There was actually a little concern with AMC coming to the pre-market. Yesterday we closed right around the high of day. It hit a high of $19.99. We knew $20 to $20.30 was going to be a key resistance level with AMC. And you can see here, right when the market opened this morning at 4 a.m., AMC dumped. It dumped all the way down to $17.75 from $20. So initially, I was a little concerned. I was like, okay, is this going to be a short? You gave back most of the gains that you made yesterday. How are things going to play out today? As we started getting closer to the open, AMC did find some support down here. You see, it really started to double bottom down here and get a bounce up back up to 19 bucks, and then flagged right here at the open. So my thinking was, if AMC can break out of 1920, we could see this go on a run, right? The high was on the pre-market 1917, so essentially 1918 I was going to get long the stock. So as soon as the stock opened, look at the high, 1918. I bought that. I went long AMC, threw my stops here, which the low of day at the time I think was around 1860, 1850, and I got stopped out. I got stopped out for this. It put in a big big topping tail bar. So you know what I did? I stopped and reversed. I actually went short the stock. I shorted the stock, got a little green, and then it just ripped right back in front of my face. So I then had to get out on my short and said, okay, pretty much when it hit like 1890, I got out on my short and I said, okay, let's calm down, let's take a chill pill. I'm down, down pretty bad on the day. I almost hit my max loss actually, but let's see how AMC performs. If it can hold this, if it can hold that low of day and really take out 1920, then AMC can run. But I need it to really find support, really break out and hold this bounce that it was having off the low of day. So essentially right here on this candle, the 945 candle, AMC broke out of 1920. I picked up my calls and we went flying. We went flying all the way as high as $20.50 on this candle. At the time, I honestly thought AMC was getting a little extended. I knew there was that resistance there at 2030. We blasted right through that level at 2030. I was like, okay, this has room to run. So I ended up taking profits right around here, right around 2040, 2050. Just because it was a little hesitant there. You can even see it had a small pullback here on the 5-minute chart. So I locked in my profits. That put me that put me very green on the day, from nearly a max loss to very green on the day, but not quite my, daily goal. But then AMC had this micro pullback, and as soon as it ripped back up to 2055, I said, you know what? Let me give this another shot because I know this is breaking out of all-time highs. this can continue to run. You have every single trading community trading this. You have institutional traders in on this. You have prop traders in on this. Everyone is trading AMC. There's a lot of hype behind it, and it's going off on everyone's scanners that it's hitting an all-time high, right? Everyone wants to get their hands on it. So once I saw that play out, I got back into AMC. It ripped up to through $21, $21.22, $21.30. I took my profit there, right around $21.30. And I was like, okay, again, this is looking extended, so let me go ahead and, cash out my profits. Definitely hit the daily goal. But then look at here, another bull flag, formed on here. So I already have traded AMC 4 times at this moment. 4 times I have already traded AMC. This was going to be trade number 5. I decided to get back in it, and lo and behold, ripped all the way up to $23. It hit $23, cashed out. I was done with that for now, and I was like, you know what? If it has another, at this point, it needs some type of pullback. At this point, I'm not playing another bull flag. It needs a pullback. We ran all the way from $18.30 up to $23 with no pullback. Right? You've had moments of consolidation, but not really a pullback. Then here, you started to get a pullback. That was a healthy pullback. I did try to play some bounces early here, and I kind of got chopped up, but I was rewarded here. Got back in at 22.50, and then we hit that high at 23.47. I noticed that it wasn't really breaking out the way that I wanted it to. So I did end up taking profits here, and good thing I did because it pulled back. It pulled back a bit here. That was actually the last trade that I took on AMC. I was looking to play it long. If it could break out at 23.30 off this bounce off the 8 of May, I would have gotten back in, but it never gave me the opportunity for that to play out. And from there, I didn't really find another opportunity on AMC. It dipped below the 20, gave out the 8 of May, dipped below the 20 of May, but actually now it's actually starting to recover. So technically, if AMC breaks above 23, could go long, throw stops around 22.40. I do like this setup, so who knows, maybe I'll take that trade with AMC. But as of now, guys, AMC is just a beast of a stock. It's up about $16.5% on the day. It's a monster, and honestly, it doesn't look like it's done. I think as long as it can hold $21, this can continue to climb for the day. How much can it climb? I don't know. You have some short squeezes coming in. I believe the short interest last time I checked was around 23%. So there are still a lot of people getting short squeezed on this play. I'm sure they're even adding into the position up here at these highs because of the extension that it has. If you look at the daily chart on AMC, it's at $15.50. Price action is near $23 on AMC. So let's see how things shape out the rest of the day. If AMC, like I said, can hold $21, I think it still has more room to run. Over the next few days, I do think AMC is going to have a pullback. It needs a pullback, to be honest, because it's just so elevated up here. It's so elevated. Here it is, about to break $23. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for Trade of the Day. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share the video, comment below. What do you think is going to happen with AMC? There's AMC ripping through $23. I know we have some traders. Yeah, I see already in our live trading room, we have some traders getting in on this. So let me go ahead and hop off here because maybe I have to take a trade myself. But that's going to do it for us, guys. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.